Using the redistribution technique to solve average questions with unknown quantity. Let's read the question first. The average height of a group of adults was 169 centimeters. After two adults with an average height of 176 centimeters joined the group, the average height of all the adults now became 171 centimeters. Find the number of adults in the group at first. So I will draw adults with an average height of 169 centimeters here. These adults, each of them may not be 169 centimeters tall, but on average they are all 169 centimeters tall. Okay, so I can draw them all just having 169 centimeters tall. I draw a dot here is because there's not just 3 adults here, there's many of them, which I don't know how many of them are there. I'm supposed to find out. Next, there is these 2 adults with an average height of 176 centimeters joined the group. Then what happened was, all the adults now have an average height of 171 centimeters here at this line. So your aim now is to make all of them having the same height at 171 centimeters. You look at these 2 adults first. This extra part must definitely be removed from these 2 adults such that they will end up with a height of 171 centimeters. So each of these adults here have an additional height of 5 centimeters from the new average. So the first step is to take 176 minus 171 to get this 5 centimeters. But this 5 centimeters is for one adult here only. I have 2 adults here, so I have to take the 5 centimeters times 2 to get 10 centimeters. So these 2 adults here actually contributed to an extra of 10 centimeters from the new average. So I have to take away all this extra part such that these 2 adults will end up with a height of 171 centimeters. So this extra height of 10 centimeters must be given to who? Definitely it must be given to those people at first, because these people are not that tall. They need extra height to reach 171 centimeters. Each of them need to gain an extra height of 2 centimeters. Okay, so the next step is to take 171 minus 169 to get these 2 centimeters. I only have an extra of 10 centimeters, and each of these adults here need to gain an additional height of 2 centimeters. Therefore, I can take 10 centimeters divided by 2 centimeters to find out that there are 5 adults there at first. So this technique is called the redistribution technique, whereby you take those with too much to distribute to those who has not enough to reach the new average.